What it do? Ha! Where they at? Oh shit. What's up, homie? What you been up to, man? How you been? Oh boy. Hey guys. Oh, I hate my intro. I know I shouldn't be cussing in the first 30 seconds of a YouTube video. God damn it. Holy fuck. So, I've been in my head lately. I've been in my head a lot lately. A lot. And I was talking to a friend today about it. And she mentioned to me that maybe I should keep my mind a little more occupied and do this a lot more. And one of the problems I'm having with vlogging is I forget. Hey, amigo. He didn't see me. Oh well. Is that I realize that I don't always have to talk motorcycles. And well, I do have a lot to say about motorcycles, and I have opinions and facts and things I want to share with you guys. And all this is moving in a very, very slow manner and in a very weird direction. I never thought I'd be on YouTube. I never thought I'd be doing this because I never thought I'd have the time or the budget or etc., so on and so forth. And well, for those of you who know, you know. And here I am. And well, I've just been in my head a lot lately. And I say and a lot, and I say a lot. Fucking A. The camera is so weird to me. And not so much, I almost said the spotlight is weird. The fucking spotlight. Listen to me talk. God damn it. So this is all new to me. And I'm trying to be on a platform that I very much love. I watch YouTube a lot. I use YouTube a lot. About 5 years ago, I bought the Google Play streaming service because I stream all my music nowadays. And it came with YouTube Red. And for those of you who don't know, YouTube Red is ad-free YouTube. It's a blessing. I have not seen an ad in 5 years. And occasionally I'll open up this channel to view analytics or to upload and shit, and I'll watch a video of some of my favorite motovloggers or whatever I got on my feed. And an ad pops up, and that's fucking weird. Anyway, I get on such weird freaking tangents. Anyway, it just feels good to be on. I never thought I'd be on this platform, and I never thought I'd be trying to make videos and entertain people online. And it's a challenge. It really is, because not only am I in my head about it, but you know, you get filled up with these feelings of self-doubt of that you're not good enough, that you're not doing okay. Why am I so tired? Today's been exhausting. And it's natural. I mean, in your head, I'm trying to not entertain, 31 people that I have. I'm trying to get it into the thousands, hundreds of thousands possible. And it's so weird to think that I'm trying to get this goal, and you listen to yourself and you watch yourself and you look at all these videos you do and you're like, fuck, is that me? And am I really that boring? Am I really that bland? Am I really that monotone? God, it drives me up the fucking wall. And anyway, so I've been in my head about that lately, and pretty much since I started this YouTube channel, and I persist. Here I am. Oh shit, no, it's not this one, it's Eubank. God fucking damn it. I hate this goddamn city with a burning fucking passion. Oh shit. Oh, look at this fucking squid. Holy crap. Anyway, back to another episode of me getting lost in Albuquerque again. Anyway, I keep making these videos and I keep putting them online, and I keep telling myself, you suck, you don't sound good. And I talk to friends and they're like, it just sounds like you talking. Like I'm in your face and you're telling me things. And I've never fucking talked to myself. So, it's just weird hearing myself talk from a perspective that I've never heard before. It's always been from my mouth to my ears, never from the mouth of the camera to my ears. Anyway, it's weird. I've been in my head about it, and I just wanted to talk about that, and I just wanted to get some stuff off my chest and feel better about it, I guess. Hey, damn, a whole ass guitar. Goddamn. Here, this is where I need to go. No longer will I be lost. Hasta luego, amigos. God, that was annoying. Oh, there, buddy. Fucking yield sign. Ooh, that would have been dangerous. Oof. Oh, fuck. I haven't ridden a sport bike in so long, dude. So I was sitting with my homie Anthony. And he says, he's had this bike for like 10 years now. And he wrecked it. Oh, fuck, this is incredible. Holy shit. Oh, my God. Anyway, he wrecked it. And he's been working and working on it, like here and there. And today I get here and he tells me, I got it running, Manny. Like Frankenstein. Oh, my God. So I was telling him I haven't ridden a sport bike in years. I have my one, of course. Oh, this is amazing. I've never felt so honored in my life. Well, I can name an occasion or two, but not like this. Oh, this thing has no mirrors. This is scarier than shit. That one sucked a little bit. Oh, this is nice. Yeah, it started a little bit. Slipping? Yeah. Is it the clutch, really? I felt like a fucking kid, bro. Kid at a fucking candy store. Holy shit. That was cool. Top of his other incredible bike already. When are you gonna let me ride this one? We'll see. Wow. Alright, there we go. I've gone extra enough for today. That's all. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. I'm so happy you guys find me entertaining enough to keep watching me. Whoever of you guys is watching me, I really do appreciate it. And I hope for my viewership to grow, and I hope I can connect to more people and relate to more people in this aspect, because I know it's not easy being the content creator. It's not easy getting content, period. Let alone trying to find an entertaining way in which to share it with you guys. But thank you. Thank you for your continued what's the word I'm looking for? God damn it. Thank you for your continued support. It means a lot. And I know a lot of you that watch are personal friends, close friends, or even, you know, you guys who I met in high school and I barely talked to you, and I know you guys are probably low-key supporting me, and I appreciate that. I really do. And if you're listening to this, please get in my comments, say something, talk shit, say something nice, drop a like, whatever. But I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you guys, and thank you guys for continuing to watch and let me know that I'm not as boring as I think I am. Or fuck, if I'm boring, just let me know I'm fucking boring. Anyway, in my head again, you guys have a wonderful day. Hasta mañana.